Today, we have a 2025 Wildwood Heritage Glen fifth wheel. This 286RL is 33 feet and 11 inches in length, has a dry weight of 9,380 pounds, and can sleep up to 4 guests comfortably. The exterior of this unit features a front compartment that houses the battery and spare tire, propane bottle compartment, large pass-through storage compartment that houses the water management panel, and a 13-foot electric awning above the entryway. Inside the fifth wheel, we see the rear living and kitchen area. The rear living area features the entertainment center and dinette. The entertainment center features a 50-inch smart TV, JBL sound system, and 31-inch electric fireplace. To the right is the individual reclining seats with cabinets overhead. Next, we see the hide-a-bed sofa. Moving to the kitchen area, we see the large island with the single bowl sink. Next, we have the 12-volt double-door fridge and pantry closet. To the right of the fridge and closet is the residential-styled 4-burner range, over-the-range microwave, and cabinets for storage. Moving towards the front of the unit, we see the bathroom on the left. The bathroom features a porcelain foot flush toilet, walk-in shower with sliding glass door, and backlit vanity mirror and sink area. Finally, in the very front of the unit is the master bedroom. This room features a king-size bed with storage underneath, dresser with prep TV location at the foot of the bed, and large wardrobe closet that is prepped for a washer and dryer. For more info or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.